What's up, Lux Gang? It is me, Asia, with all things luxury. And you guys, I told you that I am trying to diversify my channel, show you guys all different types of things of luxury. So if you are new here, my name is Asia, and on this channel we talk about all things luxury, whether it's handbags, perfumes, shades, anything luxury. We talk about it on this channel. So I hope you stick around and something I say make you want to subscribe and hit that ring button. To my Lux Gang, I appreciate you guys. Y'all have been holding me down and I appreciate it. Alright, so today's video is going to be a little different. So one of the things you guys may not know about me is I love Yeezys. I love Yeezys. I am a Yeezys fan. I don't wear Jordans. Yeezys are my choice of sneakers. And today we're going to be doing a Yeezy haul. Alright, so let's get into it. So, two of these shoes I got from GOAT. And two of them I actually were able to catch retail on them. And then I'm going to tell you guys this horrible story of what happened to one of my Yeezys. Alright, so let's get into it. So, this is actually from Adidas, and they really sent it in this big bag like this, like, this really big box, like, really easy. Alright, so these right here are 450s. These are my first time buying 450s. I am a 350 girl. I love 350s, but I say, hey, I want to try out some 450s. I have never seen these in person. So let's get into it. We're going to rotate the box so you guys can see. Okay, disclaimer. I'm not a sneakerhead, okay? So I know that this video may generate some new viewers. Y'all, I'm not a sneakerhead. I am just a girl that likes Yeezys, okay? Alright. So let's get into them. Alright, and they say made in Germany. Okay. Okie dokie. So these are, what are they called? These are Yeezy 450, and this is in the resin color. So I actually love these colors because I have some Yeezy slides in this color. But so they kind of remind me of right here, like the Balenciagas trainers. So I hope they're comfortable like the Balenciagas. And I still hope they're comfortable like Yeezys. So these are it right here. So yeah, I'm excited to wear those. Alright, the next one. Yeezy 700s. And these are in Faduza. Hey, I don't know. But I believe these are the one from, oh yeah. So I got these from GOAT. So these are these. Cute. And I like these. I can't wait to wear these. These are really, these really give like a summer vibe. Like these are like a summer vibe with some shorts. These are so cute. So let's do a 360 on these. I just love them. I really love these. I wasn't able to get these retail, but they weren't that high over retail. I think I paid like $320. I think like that with shipping and all that stuff in it. So I definitely love these. Definitely dope piece. Alright, so I actually got these right here from Adidas. So let's see what these are. Do you guys like Yeezys? I just want to know why they're so hard to get. Like, I just feel like this, y'all. I'm not a sneakerhead. I just like Yeezys. But I just feel like y'all Jordan people need to stay on Jordans. Why y'all gotta wear Jordans and Yeezys? Like, pick a side and stay on there. That's all I'm saying. Because I want to be able to get my shoes retail. Alright, so these are Yeezy 500s. And this is in the color ash gray. Ooh, I like these. Okay. These are dope. Dope. I like. So let's get a spin. Dope. I really like these. Ooh, and they feel so good up in there. Really like these. These are really different. Like, as you can see, I just did. So these are 500s. I just did the 700s and the 450s. So I'm getting out of just the 350s, which I'm normally accustomed to. So these are really cute. Look at the bottom. I really like these. These are also in a size 8. Alright. It's going to be a haul without 350. I am a 350s girl. I love 350s. I love a pair of Yeezys with a Louis Vuitton bag. That's my signature style. A Louis Vuitton bag with some Yeezys. Like, loves it. Alright, so let's get into this one. Alright. 350 Boost. And these are the Mono Ice, honey. Let's get into them. Let's get into them. Ooh, Jesus. What? Lord, this is heaven blue. This is the blue that Jesus got up in heaven. Look at these. Fire. Is the camera giving it justice? Oh, here it goes. Let me find the light. Fire. Whoa, holiday. Beautiful. Beautiful. They so freaking light and they so clean. It's just like, I'm scared to even wear these. So I'm definitely going to have, so normally, confession, so normally I don't wear socks with my Yeezys. I don't. But with these, I may have to get some, because since they're see-through, I may have to get me some dope socks. But look at these, the bottom. But definitely, these are dope. I definitely love these. I've been hitting the bricks all February, and he came out with like 6 or 7. It was so many shoes came out. I mean, in March, I was hitting bricks on all of them. So I'm just like, whatever, y'all. But it wasn't anything particular that I was like, okay, I'll go to GOAT to get it. So if it's like, if I really want something and I miss the drop, I will go to GOAT to get it. But if it's just like, I can stand to not have it, then I'll just won't have it. But I love a pair of Yeezys. They're so comfortable. They look so cute on your feet. Let me tell you about this. So you guys, I got the Yeezys 350s, I think B2, and it was like gray with the orange stripe going across them, y'all. Bagged them. I was like, whoa. 3rd hit in a row. And the shoes got delivered. I sat here all day, and I have a window right there. I sat here all day waiting on FedEx to deliver my shoe. And a knock never came on the door. The FedEx truck was never out there. So when they text me that it was delivered, I was like, how, Sway? There was no knock. It was not delivered. Like, I did not get my shoe. And it really hurt my feelings. So when I called customer service, Yeezy was like, this was the highest, this shoe had the highest theft rate on them. Like, he was like, you're not the only one calling about this shoe being stolen. But yeah, I was very hurt because I felt so lucky that I was able to get them. And then for them just to be taken like that from me, it was very like messed up. And I just like, it's a special place for you guys that steal. There's a special place for you guys. But anyway, you guys, I just want to thank you guys for watching my video. And to all the new people that have come to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I promise you, even if you are a sneakerhead, hit the subscribe button and follow the kid and The kid got a little swag. I mean, I ain't all that, but you know, I'm not a sneakerhead, but I do enjoy Yeezy because I think they are art. I think his shoes are art. I think they're more than shoes. I think they're art. So yes, Lux Gang, I love you all. See you guys in the next video. Take care.